In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gumloop for SEO Optimization 2025 tutorial. We'll build a reusable Gumloop workflow that drafts personalized outreach emails you can use for link building, content promotion, and partner communication, core activities that move the needle for SEO. I'll walk you through setup, smart personalization with AI, compliance, and how to review and schedule everything with confidence. Start by logging into gumloop.com. On your dashboard, click Create Workflow and give it a clear, searchable name so your team can find it later. Descriptive names help keep projects organized, especially when you scale. Next, add your inputs. Create reusable variables like recipient name, recipient email, company name, lead source, interest or topic, and last action. If you track recent activity, you can pull these from Google Sheets, Forms, CRM exports, or enter them manually while you test. If you're just getting started, begin with a tiny sample to make sure every field maps correctly. If you want to target precisely, add conditions or filters to segment your list. For example, if someone's interest is pricing, route them to a sales-leaning email. If they've been inactive for more than 30 days, trigger a re-engagement message. If the contact's role is founder, you can switch to a more executive tone. Thoughtful segmentation consistently boosts open and reply rates. To improve personalization without extra research time, insert an AI analysis step. A concise prompt works well, such as, based on this lead's company and interest, suggest one key pain point and one relevant benefit to mention. This gives your drafts context that feels tailored, not generic. Now add an AI text generation step to produce the email itself. Ask for a friendly, professional tone, 5 to 7 sentences, and a soft call to action that starts a conversation. Provide your variables and any AI-enriched insights. You can also request subject line options, short versus long versions, or brand voice matching to ensure consistency. Include safety and compliance guardrails. Don't auto-send without human approval, avoid exaggerated claims, respect opt-outs, and keep subject lines truthful. These rules protect deliverability and your brand. Choose where your drafts go. Send them to Gmail or Outlook as drafts, store them in Google Docs or Notion, share in Slack for review, or log them to your CRM notes. A simple flow is draft, review, then send. Add follow-up logic to maintain momentum. If there's no reply,